Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. If you want to have a quick, kind of a quick removal, just tap on clear browsing data, but I'd like to show you advanced options. So let's enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. If you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button. But if you'd like to remove some advanced options, simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got basic and advanced settings. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And we've got also saved passwords, auto-fill from data, and site settings in the advanced section. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from, I believe, what was that, last 4 weeks to all time, or 24 hours is up to you. After that, simply tap on clear data. And as you can see, only a specific part of the history will be removed. Of course, if you want to remove everything, you have to tap on all time. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.